Today we've got a Smart Fortwo. It's a 2008 model, 1 litre petrol with roughly 92,000 miles on the clock. So having just serviced this car, on the dashboard, when you put the ignition on, you can see there is a spanner light and minus 999 miles, so it's gone well over its due time for a service. So I'm going to run you through the procedure slowly and how to reset this light. It's actually got to be done quite quickly, so we'll do two little snippets here. First off, we'll start with a slow procedure. Okay, so to start with, ignition is off. I'm going to turn it on to position 2 just so the lights come on. Now what we need to do, this button here, need to press it twice quickly. So I won't actually do it now, I'll just show you the process. So you press it twice, ignition off, then whilst holding it in, turn the ignition back on, and you have to hold it in for about 15 seconds or so until the spanner light disappears and the minus 999 changes. Right, so now I'm going to repeat the process, but a bit quicker, and hopefully it'll reset. So I'll start with the ignition on. 1, 2, ignition off, hold that in, and turn ignition back on. Keeping it held in. There you go. So that's changed now to 13,000 miles. I'll turn the ignition off, and now hopefully if I put it back on, that will be reset. I'll start the car up. Yeah, the spanner light's gone, and the minus 999 has now disappeared. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.